Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to the webinars. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me so far? Nobody talk to me. It's okay. Let's just wait for a couple more minutes, all right, for everyone to tune in. Okay, and then I will start the webinar for today. So today is all about trading strategy clinic. So basically, you can ask me anything about trading. All right, if you don't have any question, I will bring you to the chat, and then we will see if we can see any opportunity for us, to place the entry. Okay, and as you guys know already, right? Last night, okay, like yesterday, we do have the news, right? And then um thanks for the heart shit. We do have a news for the USD, right? And then USD is rising, gold is falling, right? Okay, before we wait for everyone to tune in, let me just have a quick look at the DXY. Like yesterday, now I'm in like headphone, as you can see, right? The DXY is shoot up, and then like gold is from like high, which is a 1940, almost like 47, almost like 1948, and then now it's like falling. Like my time zone like morning is like 1923. It's like it's about 200 pip, I think. Okay, approx about 200 pip. Okay, so let's see whether today or tonight how the gold or dollar index will either rising or falling. Okay, you can let me know any pair, any specific pairs if you want me to have a look. Okay, because if not, then I think I will go through those major pairs and some of indices maybe, and then oil and gold. Okay, just give me one sec. Okay, I'm back. All right. Okay, I think shall we start the section today? Okay. So welcome everyone again. So today just also about trading strategy clinic. Like I mentioned earlier, you can ask me anything about trading. All right. If you don't have any question, I will bring you to the chat. All right. Okay, before I jump into the section, as usual, guys, remember that everything in this video is educational in nature. Nothing should be construed as investment or trading advice. Okay, if you guys want to trade, please do your own due diligence before you guys trade. Okay, because we already know that trade CFD or Forex is very high risk, high return, because you know we are using leverage. Okay, so it's about myself. Some of you already know me. My name is Peggy. I'm a trade analyst at Ever Floating Group. We are partnered with IronFX. That's why you guys will see me and my team every Thursday. Okay. So my time zone is like 6 to 7. I think your time zone that should be 1 to 2 p.m. Okay, and I myself am a prop trader as well. Okay, there's some certificate that I have passed all the challenge. Okay. Um, okay, let's just look at the chart for today. Again, let me look at the DXY. As you guys already know, yesterday we do have news. Okay, that's why I think when there are mentions about they're going to increase the interest rate, right? At the like the end of the quarter or something like that. That's why the XY is like rising, and then gold is like falling from the highest like 1947, okay, to 1924. I think it's more than 200 pip. Okay, so now first we look at the DXY. Again, DXY, I think in daily time frame they already on uptrend. Okay, because they already break this high. First, let's look at our market structures for daily time frame. What you can see, that price is mega, like they always make a mega lower low, lower low, and you know it's somewhere here. Still, they make a lower low here. Okay, and this is the high. Okay, if you were to look in daily time frame, it's something like that. Um, something like that, right? And then now they break this high. Like this high for daily time frame. Okay, this is the high, so it become resistant. Okay, that's why I think that's why it's on uptrend. Okay, we use Ichimoku cloud for momentum indicator. Okay, and then we go to the head 4 time frame. Okay, head 4 time frame, what we can see over here. Okay, let's just first we find support resistance first. So like this morning, okay, I saw like there is a bearish divergence over here. Yeah, and what you can see here, when there is a bearish divergence which is up to until here, this candle in head 4 is reversed a little bit. It's reversed, and then bound from this is my intermediate support, meaning this will be resistance, and then back above become support. And when it's come to like this my first intermediate support, and then it's just, you know, bounce off from here. So I think that could potentially might rising to this first resistance, because we do have 61.8% fib level. Okay, where I draw fib, which I draw from here. Okay, my starting point is here. Okay, and then here potentially I think they will come up until here. I think tonight I think later we do have is it today employment claim or something, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so from here, and then this is, if you were to zoom to the left, this is like, okay, I think a peak from the like the body of the candle in daily time frame, which is, this is when the price reach here, and then they reject on daily time frame, which is the body. Okay, the body here, and then the wick is the wick from daily time frame somewhere here. If you were to highlight, it's somewhere here for the first resistance, because if I lower to H1, you really cannot find the level because it's all the way here, like or to the left here. So I think I refer to daily time frame, and then for me to get like the better level. Or it's either you want to like put in the body and the wick, doesn't matter, because you know we already know if you put at the body, and then you may highlight at the wick as well. Okay, when we do trading, right? So this why it's still on uptrend, it's still rising. Okay, that's why EU now is already first support. It's bounced up until here. But do you know why when the price bounce from first support, which is here? Okay, I draw from the on the left here, right? The swing low here. And then when the price come up here, it's reversed, because in H4 over here, we do have supply zone over here, or hidden base. Okay, somewhere here. If you were to lower to H1, you will see that this is the supply zone over here. Okay, what you can see here, when the price come to this zone, it's reversed in H1. You will see it's very clearly. Okay, and then you can use Fibo to get like conference or get the confirmation, and then you see that it's at 38.2% of Fibo level. That's why when the price is reversed from this level or bounce up, and then it's falling. Another one is they're falling because of this factor. Another factor because of negative correlation, because they were rising, right? That as you guys already know, the XRY is rising from intermediate support. EU falling. GBP USD will be falling as well. Now it's falling to my second support already. This is my second support. Okay, which is at 61.8% FIB level as well. Okay, so here, let's say to me, I might wait to buy at this level, not first support, because it may break. This is my zone. Okay, if the price come to this level, I will consider to buy because we have a 100% protection and extension 12720 extension over here. Okay, you may wait here if you want to know the price. Where is okay, from here this is zone. Okay, just okay, these two number. Okay, in between from here, then I think I might consider to buy, because if you want to buy first support, it's already back before. But if you want to buy somewhere at the somewhere here, you may, but you need to wait for the confirmation in a lower time frame. Okay, like this zone if you want to buy later. Okay, the GBP okay, it's already at my second support. Okay, it's still on downtrend because we do have price is below descending trend line, and momentum is still on bearish or on downtrend. Okay, so you see it's my about up here a little bit, or if not it's my break all the way below, which is I think it also from what you can see here is overlap support level, and then we do have 61.8% FIB level. So if you guys want to buy, you can buy now. Okay, but your SL have to be below this level, because if they really break this level, I think they'll all the way go down. Okay, maybe until like maybe up to this level. So you have to put stop loss if you want to buy now for GBP USD. Okay, it's my all the way here. Okay, that's quite a lot of PIP as well, so you have to be careful. Okay, or you can wait for the confirmation before you enter like a buy position right now. Okay, because it already break my first support like this afternoon my time zone. Okay, it's at my first support here, right? Then it just bounced off, came down, and then bounce again. It's come to until this level. Okay, almost reaching, right? And then it's all the way down, which is if you go to the lower time frame, you will see that it's here. Okay, it's at this level, because this level they do have supply zone over here, somewhere here. So not even like it touching, but it's somewhere here. That's why when price it come almost like reaching the wick here. Let me see, like over here, and then it's reversed, and now it's already bounced off for my 161.8% extension. Okay, if you ask me, I have position yet. I just enter my buy position right here when I just tell you guys. Okay, so already bounce up. If you ask me where it's gonna heading to, okay, I think I saw like a valid divergence here in M5. Okay, again, but divergence happen in lower time frame. It may not really strong, so if you want to hold, you're not going to hold for so long as well. If you enter buy position, your SL should be just a few pip below this level. Okay, this my M5. Okay, touching the zone, and then it's reject. M15. I saw a divergence as well. This is price make the lower low. Indicator is make a higher low. Right here, right here. Okay, So let's look at DXY. Okay, because DXY is falling. Okay, if you trade currency pair, I look, if I trade like GBP, gold, or EU, like EU, USD, I will look at the DXY as well. Okay, so now it's falling, should be rising. Okay, should be rising. Let's say you were to buy from here, your first TP should be your support here, because this one is support, it's become your resistance already. It's going to be your first resistance, unless there's a new really major or very strong new, it could break either support or could break resistance later. Okay, so now it's already your TP. For example, if the price really bounce off from here, this should be your TP. If price still on continue to downtrend, and then it will reverse from here. But we do have new letter. It's either here come down and then break our second support for today, or it's go up all the way there. Okay, so we need to see. Okay, like say this could be your like TP, then your first TP, take profit if you like enter buy position here, buy entry here. Okay, just consider, if you don't, you can either wait first. Okay, somewhere like this price. Okay, your SL just recommended below this week, but how many pip is depend on your lot size, it depend on your account size. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, and then you Frank, we do have news just now, right? The new release, they're not going to increase the interest, they keep at the same one. That's why, that you USD CHF is rising. Okay, it's all the way to for my resistance here. Okay, and then it's bounce up a little bit. It's on the move. Okay, so how I get my you see, I draw my support and resistance in daily time frame here, because if you go to the lower time frame, you cannot find the level. So I just go to the bigger time frame, and then you will get like exact the level when the price come or reach its retrace or react. Okay, and then second resistance, I just pick at, okay, just pick at this week. Actually, this one is good enough for second resistance. Okay, or you can over here, and first support, it used to be resistant, it really break my resistance here, it becomes support. Okay, this is the level. But you ask me if there is any opportunity to trade, for me, no. This is not my favorite pair. Okay, but if you want to trade, you can wait to buy, wait for pullback here, and then you buy, because let me see, it's still on momentum uptrend, seen like here. Okay, what you can see here, an uptrend, and then it's still on Ichimoku cloud, so, the trend line as well. Okay, but what you can see, this pair is really like choppy, right? It's like very small candle, and only like afternoon they release the news, and then it spike up, and now it's falling a little bit. Okay, so any questions so far? Let me see, anyone ask me a question. Okay, USD JPY, yes. Okay, falling, and I saw okay, it falling already because it hits my extension 127.20% extension. Okay, exact. How I get people extension? Okay, here is draw from here, from starting point to ending point here. Okay, so basically starting, ending, whatever above 100% flip level is called extension. And usually the extension number we only use 127 and 161.8%, which is, you see, when it change extension somewhere here, it's reversed, and now it's falling already, and there might be like barely divergent over here. Okay. Maybe not. Okay, I remove it. Okay, so we're falling here. So now this is intermediate support here, meaning that it used to be the resistance. Some here is breakable. You see, if they really can falling all the way here, or if they break my first support, it may break the trend line. Okay, you will maybe pull back, or either here or either here, and then you sell. Okay, so now it's falling already. I didn't have any position for this one. Okay, but it's falling. Okay, this still for the DXY. I think if like EUGU go can rise. I mean, this one have to break like this intermediate support either here. Okay, and then this should come like that. Then GU, EU, and gold can fly. Okay. How SMC work or analyze on a chart? SMC, basically SMC, they are looking at the market structure. Okay, like what I tell you is like really easy one. I think I use SMC just for me to look at the market structures. For example, you need to look how is the price moving. For example, like for example, they know that okay, the SMC when you look at the bigger picture, like price is make a higher high, higher low, somewhere like that, right? Maybe up to this level, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then they start to make a lower low. Have to break this low, okay? This because these are high, the low, and then they start to make a lower low, lower high, and they break this low. Okay, and then they were changing of the of momentum already. When they change like that, I think for them, they will go to the lower time frame M30 or M15 to find the entry. What does mean the entry? Like either price action or QM or head and shoulder or invested head and shoulder to get the entry. Okay, but I think I don't have the question here, but that's what they mean. But if you want to use the indicator, I'm not sure whether here have, because I usually I don't use rely on those like SMC or fair value gap. Is it this one? I don't know, but you can try. But I myself I'm not using that. Okay, and then SMC. Okay, then you see they'll ask you to like label like that, like break of character, chain of BOS, break of character, or chain break of structure, or chain of character. So basically, what does this mean? Let's just look at gold. Okay, like okay, this is a good example. They will look at market structures, right? Okay, mega higher high, higher low, and higher high, higher low, higher high, and they make a lower low. They break this low. When they break this low, they will know that okay, this is the chain of character. Okay, chain of character already, and then they make a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. And now they make a higher high, which is this high, break this high. And this one they will label that this is chain of character. Okay, so when the price come to here or somewhere below here, they will use fifth level and then they will buy. The momentum indicates buy. So head 4 is a buy momentum. Okay, in head 4. All right, this is how they use, or sometimes they see that okay, price is changing, or like let's say here, okay, they might go to the, let me just highlight here. Okay, M30. okay, for you. Or they will say that, okay, in lower time frame here, okay, what you can see here, price is make a lower low, lower high, right? Somewhere here, just say here, lower low, lower high, somewhere here. And when the price come to maybe up to like up to here, okay, they say no, okay, they will change momentum already in the lower time frame, which is somewhere here. Okay, let's just see over here. So one is break this high. Okay, they wait for price to pull back and then they will buy. But what it look like in H you see in the H4 it's really break this high. Okay, and then it's go down. So actually my goal for my sell zone is here. First support, which is we have demand zone and 61.8%, but I think they revert from here because that is 61 point, oh no, it's go below. Okay, this, so the price haven't come. I still wait to buy at this level. Okay, in H4. Okay, what is the currency is that C C F X US USD. You mean this one? Are you asking me this one? I never see this. Is this the one? Am I correct? Or this? Or this? Which one? Okay, this is the one, right? Okay, I think that should be this one. Am I correct? If correct, you let me know. Okay. Daily time frame, it look like that. Let me look. Oh, this is huh? What is this? What is thought about this one? Okay, anyway, I don't know. Okay, this if I label, okay, these are the lower price already. Okay, in the weekly time frame. And if I were to highlight, this could be the resistance. Just let me see first. First resistance. This one could be first support. I will label as weekly for me to know. Okay, this one also. Okay, weekly, and then we go to daily. Okay, it's all like sideways. You could to zoom in here. It's sideways. So now this is the support level of first support. Okay, I need to label like that. Okay, and this is the resistance. That's why price come, and then it's reverse. Okay, well you can see when the price come, it's reverse, right? From here, I use a projection. Okay, this is 9 level. This could be okay. Never mind. Okay, then I go to the lower time frame, which is H4. Okay, you see, it really touched the resistance and reverse. Now, this is my price is already at support level. Okay, H4. This is the support level of H4. Okay, I think it's about 50% fib level. You see, 50% fib level, that is bounce off from here. You see, bounce off from here. Okay, and let me pull out all. Okay, we have 50 and 78. Okay, so 50% fib level first support. This is first support of daily time frame. It's become second support of H4. Okay. I will change this to a. What is this? Okay. Second support. So now it's all in H4. Yeah, I don't get confused. Okay. No, this is second support. Second support of H4 is a first support of daily time frame. Okay, this is a 9 level. This is bound off already. Did you buy? Did you buy it? Okay, so now this is resistance day, right? This could be, I just put this as my first resistance in H4. I pick this as my second support in H4 time frame. Okay. And what we can see, price on uptrend because price is at the lowest price. I mean, it's a lower price already. Okay. And this is the trend line. Trend line. Trend line. Trend line. Trend line. Okay. Either it break this trend line, break this, break this. Let's say if it break, you can wait to buy at this level. Okay, because we will follow the higher time frame because price is come from the lowest already. This is the lowest. Okay. Okay, in H4, it's something like that. Let me remove. Okay. You want to lower to H1, what you can see. But when you in H1, price is clear like double top here. Okay, when it reach the resistance in daily time frame, right? But now it's break already. I mean, it's come down. It's at the first support. Either if you want to buy, you can buy, but then your SL have to be either below this one because if it's break, hit your SL, your re-enter should be this zone. Okay, this is your zone. If you want to draw trend line, I mean channel line. Okay, actually it's also with, let me see, let me try to see if it in bearish channel line. Okay, I think the momentum is uptrend. Okay, because we have price is above Ichimoku cloud. Okay, price is still is on bullish channel line as well. And what you can see that price is like, within this range like that. Okay, also. And let me see. Okay. No. Oh, I think we may could get Elliott wave over here. One, two, three. Cannot. Okay, sorry. Because this overlap already have to be here. Okay, we cannot get. Either, okay, if break this one, you wait to buy at this level. Okay, this one, this one. It's still on the bearish channel line here, something like that. Okay, either they go until here, they go up there, or go from here and then go up. Okay. We cannot this one. Okay, this is the right one. Okay, please do also on M15. Okay, M15. Okay, this is the bigger picture. Okay, then you see the momentum. If you want to go like scalping in the lower time frame, like HM15. Okay, it means like that you don't buy right now. It's breaking. Okay, it's breaking already. Breaking here. Okay, I don't really scalp on the lower time frame. But if I see like that, right, you don't buy right now because in M15 it's like falling. But okay, the indicator, let me see whether they can break another one. Let's say if you buy, let's say if just now you buy, right, if you buy, your area should be below this or below this or below this or below this one. That is another one for you to buy, like buy over here. Because I don't know how you scalp, right? You scalp and then you see. Let's say if M15 we is haven't closed, right? It's closed. The body is above support level, meaning that you can consider to buy from here. Okay, because it have the rejection at 1, 2, and if the body close above, okay, you will buy from this level, meaning that this is very key support level. Okay, it might close above. In M5, what we can see in M5, okay, in M5 already green color. Okay, you can start to, if you have a buy position, good for you, because it might bounce off from here, you can hold a position. Okay, price action is a good one in M1. Okay, this is a good one. I think we'll bounce from here. Okay, see, almost close. M15, you have to wait for them to close. Okay, and then we will see. All right. Okay, any question, guys? You're welcome. Okay, but if it break, and then I think the next one you can wait here. This is a good level to buy, which is the second support. All right. Okay, anybody just now you enter buy position, we already in profit. Anyone make a buy? I already in profit, yeah, for the GU. Any one of you guys, anyone like enter buy here? Because I tell you I enter buy position already in profit now. Okay, but we have a new, so we may not hold the position for so long. Okay, let me look at UCAT. Okay, let's just look at our daily time frame. Okay, actually, you know, this is a good level. I was waiting to buy at this level in daily time frame, but then I think like yesterday or Tuesday it come, I missed the entry. Okay, now it's reward. Okay, now it's rising. Okay, what you can see here, like you asked me about SMC, right? Or they always look at the market structure here. If you know that they make a lower low, low high, and until here they make a lower low, lower high, and this one they make a all the way high here. So basically, if like that, we wait for price to pull back at this level, and then you buy. You see this very, very nice level, but I missed entry for this one. Okay, and then we can lower to H4. Okay, in H4, what you can see that they create this is a chart pattern, which is reversal. Okay, hey, why it cannot? Double bottom, or like the bill pattern. So either they go up here, they might come here and then they will go again. I will see, but now it's already rising up. Okay, my resistance, I think they're going to break. They're going to break here. This is my used to be support level. It break, it become resistance, right? So now I think it's my break my first resistance potentially. I think they will go up until the second resistance here. But over here we do have 38% and projections 61.8% projection. Okay, let's see. Let me see if they break this. They break this, hit SL. Another one is this level. Okay. Always trade, you need to have an SL. Okay. Yes, you can see a little have a rejection already. Okay, if you like to see the lower time frame, you can look at like when I say you wait for confirmation. What does that mean? Like when the price enter to the zone, okay, you can go to M1. You can, I like to look at M1 to see how the price move in the lower time frame. Or you can go M5. Okay, it's M5 like that, meaning that they still um have they haven't levered from here, because if they have what I want to say. Okay, if in M5, if it's closed with the red candle, I will consider, because it's still within my rest box. I mean, it's still within my zone. If there is a lot of rejection over here in M5, I know that, okay, price is already, tired already, because they keep running up right now. They are tired. They might, pause here a little bit, and then either they want to continue go up, or they continue like falling. Okay, that's what I mean. You see in M5, you can see that it's a rejection. This is a good sign. So I will wait for this candle to close, and then I might enter another candle. But then again, my SL, if I put a bigger lot size here, my SL just above this, either like this stick or this box. Okay, if hits my SL, that is okay. I will wait for the next zone to buy or to sell. Okay, so you see, you need to wait first. What about M15? You see M15, no red candle at all. Okay, you need to wait, and then you need to see if there is any form of divergence. There might be here, but then we need to wait. Okay, this is not a good divergence, so I don't think. Okay, either you wait here first, go M. You see, haven't yet. Okay, don't enter if like that. You have to wait until you see red candle. Okay, and then you enter the sale position. Okay, this, let me see. Okay, this is the order, and it's up to here. 6-1 projection. Okay, something like that. Okay, let's say price is reversed from here, because in head 4, I don't know when it's closed, right? Let's say price is reversed from here, and then you want to wait for buy position. I think it may not. Let's say I cannot buy, right? You cannot draw the Fibonacci from swing low, swing high. This is not your high yet, because it's still rising. I just think if, it's just if, right? The candle is closed like that. You might have to wait somewhere around this level for you to buy. Okay, let's say if they come somewhere here, you may consider to like buy up like that. Okay, but it's just that right now this candle they haven't closed, even though in like H1 is haven't yet. Okay, haven't yet, but this is the supply zone also, this zone. Okay, we zoom in. Okay, big bullish, big bearish candle. Potentially it may reverse from here. Let me see. M M30, M15. Yeah, make a higher high, indicator make a lower high. Okay, we just maybe consider this is the divergence a little bit over here. Oh, here. Okay, or M5. M5 still. Okay, let this one close with red. Consider to see. If I see like that, I might just want to like, sometimes I just put the zone like that. Okay, for me to just have a look. Like this is the wick and the body. Okay, see, haven't yet, right? So let's say if in order for M5 to close in red, This one have to be, they make higher high and higher high. Then they need to make a lower low. This one they need to close this low. Okay, like that. They might pull back a bit and then they will have to come continue like that. Okay, this is in M1 scalping, but now it still cannot make a, you see it cannot make a low from this low. It still make a higher high, higher high, higher high. So we need to see. Okay, all right. Okay, so now we have to wait. Okay, okay, I'm remove this, but this is our sell zone. So basically, it's our sell zone. Okay, if you look at it, you cannot see anything. You just go to the lower time frame. Like that, it's good. M5 like this is good. Let's say M5 ending with red. This is a good one. Okay, can come down more. Let's just come down more, right? Okay, then indicator is make a lower low as well. It make a lower high. Okay. Yeah, it rejects already. If you're scalping, I think you will earn a few pips from this, right? Okay. My long position already open. Ah, currently running in loss of 80 USD dollar. My long position is already open. Meaning the pair just now. Ah, okay. Now it's coming down. Okay, AU is rising. Okay, you see, it's touching my first support in head 4. Okay, you see in head 4 already touching the zone, the support level here, the wick, and then I highlight the zone because I do have an extension. Okay, you go to the lower time frame, that you can see is sideways. Okay, you see it's sideways, meaning you can hold because, okay, what we can see is sideways because they have very strong, like, from here to here, selling here. Usually when there is a very big move in the market, right? And then the next day the price will be sideways. See M30, it will obvious sideways here. Okay, just the box. Not even go below the first support. You can see a lot of rejection here. Okay, if you want to buy, you can hold. Your sell is just below this box. Because if break, this is your second enter for your buy position. Okay. And then if you want to buy from here, your TP, this could be your intermediate resistance here, meaning that if you were to buy, your either partial profit or use the trailing stop, you should be your first TP here. Okay, if you want to hold, you either your scale is some of profit and then you let it run. Okay, potentially this should be your first resistance here, and could be your second resistance. Okay. Oh, um, somewhere here. All right. Any question, guys? Any pair you want me to have a look before we go? Okay, this one also they don't come to reach my resistance, but I think they captured this. No, don't even this. I think only this one. But I prefer let's just say this one. Okay. It's quite messy. first. Okay, it's 38%. 38 and 61. Okay, this is my first support, first resistance, second resistance. Because it really break this is the next one definitely gonna be here. Okay, because it rising like that, you do have news last night. Okay. Mm. Any question? Any pair? You want me to have a look? Okay, let look one more pair oil. Okay, to me, oil is still on uptrend, but when it come like that, meaning that they are changing momentum already, they might changing momentum on downtrend, on uptrend become downtrend. But to me, just take note, guys. In I don't know when it's come. I'm waiting to buy oil at this level. Okay, for the daily time frame. Whenever it come, this is the zone that I want to buy oil. This is the zone. This is very, very nice pullback support level of oil. Either you can put pending order if you want to buy why I cannot change support here. This is very good support level in daily time frame. This is night one, but let's you see when you zoom in, it's somewhere here. What we can see in head 4, okay, one, the price is break above like this one, they pull back, touches, and then they fly high. Okay, so let's say these are considered to buy at this level, like second support, because now it's break first support already. If you were to buy, you may wait to buy here and then up here, certain here, because I will show you price is changing. Okay, because they break this low already. Okay, they break this low, which is for support. Okay, so now either actually this is a low, they break buy, right? I should get a sell entry since this level. This level, because in head 4, okay, this is not the one, is this the one? They break this low already. They break this low, so basically when they come to here, you need to draw fibro from here to here. So the zone, because we do have supply zone over here, drop, brace, drop, right? So this is our buy, so I mean sell zone here. So basically, if you know how to look at market structure, you wait for price to come to the zone and then you sell, right? And what you can see here is it come when the price come to the zone and then you falling. Okay, this is how now it's falling already, and then it break the first support here. Okay, it's back to the first support, it break. Okay, either you wait to buy, even you want to buy, either you want to like highlight the body and the green like that. Some people will highlight the zone like this. Okay, when it touch the zone, and then you may consider to buy, like from this level, like from this level, like here, up here. Okay. Oh, he's got me equity. What do you mean? Add equity? About DJ. Okay. Where is my GJ? Okay. I will learn the poll. Okay. Like you guys can help me vote. Okay. Okay, for the GJ now, it break my first support. Right now, it break my first support. It's going down to my second support, which is 78.6% because price is on downtrend. Basically, you can see below Ichimoku cloud. Okay. And within the bearish channel line, okay, it's already price is falling. So basically now it's break my first support. This is gonna be my first resistance. You change to first resist, second resistance, and let's say I move here. And let me see if there is the okay, 100% the breaking. Okay. 50%. Okay. Okay, here. So now I zoom in. If you want to buy, this is your zone to buy here. Okay. Which is a one and this one. This is the zone for you to buy, okay? But if they break this one, and then you have to put a stop loss because this is very strong sell for GU. Okay, you see M5 there is no rejection yet. Okay, still within the zone, you need to wait, all right? Because again, momentum is still on downtrend. Okay, in below Ichimoku cloud, below price within the bearish channel line. Okay, but again, if you want to buy and zoom in for you, this is you may consider. But you see, really strong. This is the news, right? Do we have a new later? Do we? Let me check. Ah, do have new in 2 minutes. Oh, it have new in 2 minutes. Okay. Because they're really strong sale because they're news. Okay. Let me control. Anybody waiting for the news? Okay. Rejection already. You see? Got rejection over here. M1. Okay. M5 got rejection here. Okay, because there is a news. Let's see how the news come out in 1 minute. Any guys like have a position because we do have a news, yeah. So you might have to wait. Okay. You can see here 30 seconds. anyone trade this pair? Let me see how the news come out. Okay. You can look here. Or we can look at the GU, then we can look at GU. Okay. Oh, falling. Ah, falling because the news came out. You see, red, meaning GU also falling then. Falling, also. GU also as well. Oh my goodness. This one we cannot already. It break. Okay, because of the new. And this one they haven't still pending. Okay. All right, guys. So, okay, guys, thank you so much for your time today. Okay. I will see you guys again in next webinar. All right. Thank you so much for your time. Okay. Have a good day. All right. We do have a major newsletter as well. Okay. Take care, guys. Have a good day, good afternoon, and good evening for you. Okay. Bye for now.